Out here on the edge of the South Dakota's breathtaking Badlands, there's a place where history and hospitality meet under endless skies. Welcome to Triangle Ranch Bed and Breakfast in Phillips, South Dakota, a 1923 mail-order treasure that's been lovingly cared for the same family for generations. Step back in time and enjoy bright, airy rooms, hearty country breakfast, and a kind of peaceful quiet you can only find out here on the ranch. From golden sunsets to starlit nights, Triangle Ranch isn't just a place to stay, it's a chance to slow down, reconnect, and experience the spirit of the West. Your South Dakota adventure starts here. Welcome to Triangle Ranch Bed and Breakfast. Come, let us explore.
Well, we arrived at Triangle Ranch. This is an original Sears and Roebuck home. It is really unique. I will show you some of the inside once we get in there. I just wanted to show you some of the architect of it on the outside. Here's the inside sitting room. Has these matching bookcases. And the dining room. Oh, you're okay. You keep talking. Oh, this is lovely in the original kitchen. There are over 400 window panes in this house. The lady was telling us because she has to clean them all. Then we're going to go to the upstairs and see the rooms. This is called the Louise room, and this is where we're staying. It's the shower. And since it was an original Sears and Roebuck home, they took the closets. Oh, excuse me. I was trying to show them the toilet area. Thank goodness you're ready to come out, huh? Yes, another one of the rooms. You can see in the glass windows, the original panes, they have that little wave in them. Here's another room. Grace's room. And here is the toilet area. This bathroom with the original clawfoot tub.